Hi, have you seen recently that in the Wall Street Journal, they're reporting that businesses are not prepared for a case of a cybersecurity attack? As a matter of fact, well over 50% of small businesses are not prepared at all. A lot of them are frozen. They hear so much about what to do and what not to do and what programs to buy and what not, that they're completely frozen in indecision. Hi, I'm Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions, providing cybersecurity and IT services for small businesses. And I'd like to help you work through what is the most essential thing for you to do to get started and get unfrozen when it comes to whether or not and what you need for cybersecurity for your small business. So the first thing to keep in mind is that you really need to know what are your risks. Most people, the last thing they read in the news, they go, oh, I got to worry about that. Like, having your files encrypted and held for ransom. So they worry about that. And then the next thing they hear about someone who's logged in and sat on their computer for ages and is mining information, and they worry about that. But the first thing you really need to do is to get an assessment of what your risks are, where your important data is, how important that data is to your business, and what would happen if that data got outside your business or was held ransom. So the first thing you do is you do a cybersecurity assessment, and people like me do the very structured assessment based on the NIST framework, which allows you to go through all aspects of your business, most technology, and then also business practices, and determine what are your true risks. And then it's prioritized, and you decide what is most important to your business. What risk represents the greatest impact on your business should that event happen. Once you have that framework, you get a schedule of what you should tackle first and what you should tackle second, and you go through it in a systematic way. So just keep in mind, it's not undoable. It seems like there's so many things going on that you don't know where to start, but the very first thing is to find out what is most important to your business, and then how do I tackle the most critical aspects of my cybersecurity program. If you need more information and want to learn more, please contact me, Steve Conyers, CMIT Solutions.